Good day, guys. These sick orchids that we have here last year ago, but now she recovered. Here is our updates to her. See, it's a purple color flowers, but I think I name her now Hero or the Champion one. Which one you reckon I name her, guys? Thank you. So I got a note here as well. And I repot her again last week ago. Oh, 2 weeks ago before Valentine's Day. And guess what happened? This is like third time or fourth time I inspecting her and repotting. So this time, as you noticed her before, she was like going up like that and all the roots was all over. Now as you can see the roots. This is, by the way, the new roots here approaching. They're like a ear roots, that one again, but fortunately she was gonna go down because I trained them, all of them, in the go down now. And she's not super like that leaning anymore towards the sun or light. Oh yeah, and this one is new, and there is among the in the bottom, as you can see before, there is a new leaf here. I mean, leaf in the bottom, and then it was like yellowing yesterday. Not super yellow yet, like something like that. Start like this, and then this one that lives on the bottom, and this one is growing on the top. So of course, when you just repotting your orchids or plants, often look like a little bit weaker. See, this one is nice and firm. You know what I mean? So nice and firm because I didn't touch it yet for the repotting. So it's a kind of risking, but not risking. When you're repotting them, the leaves or the plants, you notice them a little bit soggy. Not very soggy, a little bit slightly soggy for a few days. So give her a chance, like 2 weeks. It's been a week long only, and then I see this one is cracking, but still pretty good. See, a bit softer. But once she recover, she will be back again like nice and like this plump. So yeah, give her a chance. All the roots is going on there, all the activities. See, I removed the bit rotten roots, and now she's good to go. So I don't gonna, after this, like 3 or 4 times I inspecting them, but not every day, like inspecting every 2 months or something. We'll see what she go, but she's very healthy. I'm so happy for you, little champion, really a stick champion. So this is our new recover plants now. As I said, I already removed the bit yellowing leaves here, and she's a bit floppy, and these two, so we can break these two air roots for now, but these two are eventually going down on this two. All right, guys, sorry about background. Cheers, have a good day. Hi, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.